Today I'll be making creamy garlic chicken. You're going to need chicken, any type of pieces you like, creamy garlic dressing. I got it over at a local restaurant. That's a quart. You can get it wherever you like. You can buy it from your favorite restaurant because some of the restaurants do actually have it for sale. On to the recipe. Hi, welcome to my channel. My name is Linda. Please like, share, and subscribe. Make sure you do a comment in the comment section below. Suggestions on what content you'd like to see on my channel. I welcome all comments. Now, if you're interested in flower arranging, I do actually have a secondary channel that I do have some older videos of flower arrangements. I have the Halloween, Thanksgiving, Christmas, and New Year's on that channel. So if you're interested in that, it's called Linda's Flower Arrangements. The link will be in the description below, so you can check out that site too. Thank you for watching. I cleaned the chicken already. I'm going to be adding it to the bowl. Use whatever you like. I'm using boneless, skinless chicken breast. Just dumping it in the bowl. And you're going to dump your marinade in, which is the creamy garlic dressing. So it's easy to do. You have to marinate it first. So I'm dumping my quart in there. Yes, I'm using a whole quart. I'm making sure that it's marinated properly. Make sure you get all of it out of the container. There we go. Now, you're going to get a spoon and mix it up to make sure it's all coated. See, it's easy. The longer you marinate, the better it is. Then I'll be cooking it in a crock pot. You can do it for at least an hour. Now after you got done adding your ingredients into the bowl and mixed it thoroughly, you will cover it to marinate it in a refrigerator, because it has to be refrigerated to marinate it. First thing you're going to do is plug in your crock pot and turn it on low. Low for 6 to 7 hours. High for 3 to 4, whichever you prefer. Now, I mixed up a cup of water with a heaping teaspoon of better than Bouillon cube. I'll put that in the bottom. Just a little bit. Is add the chicken. And it's not that hard to do. You just take it out of your marinade. Whatever marinade sticks to the chicken, that's fine. You don't want to put all the marinade in. You just put that in there. I do drain some of the marinade off the chicken. It's okay if a little bit comes in. We don't need that whole quart of marinade in here. So I'm draining some of the chicken marinade off. There we go. That's in. Now we put the lid on and let it go. Now what I'm going to do is rearrange it. I'm just going to flip them over. So they cook on both sides. In case you're wondering how I'm cooking my noodles, I use regular egg noodles, which is my pasta. I'm going to add some garlic powder to the chicken stock with parsley, so it has more color. All we got to do is bring it to a boil. And I just dumped garlic powder in here. I'll add some more to it. I got the parsley in there. I don't measure it, I just dump. Because this is a garlicky kind of dish. And it's chicken stock. And we'll bring it to the boil, then add the noodles to it to cook them. No, we're not going to drain the noodles, we'll just put it on like that so it has some color when we serve it. All you gotta do is turn down the stock a little bit, add the noodles, and you cook it until the desired doneness. Now since it's done, all I gotta do is take it out of the crock pot. It's done. See, it's nice and done. It'll be nice and juicy too. Now I'll plate it up for you. This is what it looks like plated. I put noodles underneath the chicken. I made some Texas toast and I served it with green beans. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Thank you for watching.